So I think your resume is super impressive, and especially all of us who come from insurance industry, talking both about physical security and cyber security is just so immensely captivating, and it is something. It is right up our alley. So we are all very eager to first hear about your story. How did you choose a career that not many girls at that point of time would have thought about? So we are very willing to, I'm very eager to hear your story.
Much for inviting me over. I'm pretty nervous because I have to get into my story. Thanks once again for keeping patient. Thank you. Everything is impossible if you have courage, if you have motto, if you have dedication. So that brings me here as the protector. Hi everyone, I am Veena Gupta. Fondly, I'm known as India's first female bodyguard. And like everybody's smiling. So I've seen that smile for India's first female bodyguard. People were wondering, female bodyguard and lady, how it possible. So let me ask you to close your eyes for a second, all of you, and imagine you're walking to your car, sitting in a car, or walking on a street, or somewhere in a different city, and you have a bodyguard beside you. What do you see? Security. What kind of security? Yeah? The tall green man having maybe black shades, masculine body. Security, black kapade and all. So isn't it surprise? So that was a surprise and I was raised by the society. How can a female now I have to stand? So that can you see it there? The last line. Okay, okay, if I stand, I can watch them. Can you see? Yeah. So now, when you open your eyes, instead of a masculine guy, you will see a female soft spoken and wearing a sari. So will you feel surprised? How can a female be a bodyguard? How many of you thinking, especially men? More than men, their wives are surprised. More than men to the society and the neighborhood, they were surprised, they were laughing, they were frown. The woman, like, she's coming at night after dropping somebody, dropping in their line, dropping somebody. So you can think that what kind of demean towards the escort होगी, रात को आ रही है, किसके साथ आ रही है, and imagine the big Lamborghini, big car, which I've been using for my clients after dropping me at home. रात के 3 बजे क्योंकि इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट जो है रात को ही आती है रात के 3 बजे एक लड़की शादीशुदा having a kid and then doing this thing. So my God, it was a sin. So my journey turned when I chose to be in this industry, which is male dominating industry. So you can imagine my image doesn't fit into security. Does it look like a security? No. So that image I was fighting for, that I'm not here to fit. I'm here to make my line. I think all the female out here, I think we all hear all this thing many times that you're not fit for this job. Also, we are the empowered men more than women because nowadays laws are very pro women. Sorry, mate, sorry, gentlemen. Laws are so dicey. Even if you look at any women more than 30 seconds, it's an offense. You can be behind the bar. You're living in a relationship. हाँ हंसने वाले ये फैक्ट है अगर आप लिविंग रिलेशनशिप में भी हैं इट्स अ कंसेंट फ्रॉम बोथ द एंड बट yes she has a right to file an appeal, so nowadays laws are very complicated. You have to be very careful. हर बात का प्रूफ रखो, प्यार का भी प्रूफ रखो, लड़ाई का भी रखो, एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल का भी रखो, किसी का भी रखो, रूट was very important. So laws are very because I find cases for men. 70% cases we handle as a women. And India's first female bodyguard को lawyer नहीं बोलेगा, lawyer में भी डरते हैं. Man will go. So I've been single for many years, and when I look back, that as a mother, even as a father, as a family, we sacrifice our marriage for our kids. But हमारे इंडियन सोसाइटी में क्या है कि हम शादी जो है बच्चों के लिए निभाते हैं. We don't rejuvenate our married life once we have kids. I tell everybody, even if you have kids, once you would go out, leave them with Nani or somebody and have your romance life, ये तो एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर हो जाता है। और एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर तब चालू होता है जब आप प्रेग्नेंट होते हैं। तो बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं। सॉरी मतलब लड़कियों के भी होते हैं, लड़कियों ज्यादा होते हैं, बट अभी के मैं करेंगे। मेन का एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर हुआ ना, क्योंकि फेस पे आ गया थोड़ा ये करेंगे। We women are very restricted to being our very smart in cash that you have extra metal affair, तो वो थोड़ा मुझसे आप सीख लीजिएगा कैसे हैंडल करना है। Coming back to the statistics, I think in nowadays there's so much of stress. I was reading other day, I traveled to Japanese, so I have been Japanese language. So then I was talking Japanese, oh, I have gozaimasu, and also my pronunciation were different. My Hindi was different. So after some time, people they started correcting me. I said, leave it, yaar, pakro ka kharab ho jayega. So I only kept an attitude, belief, and warrior mindset कि yes, I can do it. So with that change, मेरा जो stereotype थे वो मेरे घर से शुरू हुआ है. Especially we all women and आप लोग men भी हैं यहाँ.
Bleach me and different